Hi friends, are you aware about this miracle which may happen within 8 days? Tell us about your problem.
My name is Manohar. came from AP. I am studying BVSC and AH second year. I am suffering with high pitch like girlish voice. So that's why I came here for treatment.
Post therapy video of Manohar, and today date is 8th of May 2026. So Manohar, tell about yourself, why you came here and how do you feel now after the voice therapy?
Hi, my name is Manohar. Came from Andhra Pradesh. I was a problem with the high pitch voice. So that way I came to SLP Sanjay Kumar sir.
So high pitch is slightly technical term. In the normal people, how will understand what was the problem?
It was like a female voice. Somebody used to call me madam in calls.
So when you spoke after the voice therapy, what was the reactions? What now they are telling?
So, somebody can't recognize me. Some of them asked to make video call to clarify.
Okay, so it's very interesting. So and tell in your mother tongue, what is your mother tongue?
Telugu.
So tell in Telugu, what was the problem? How do you feel now?
నాకు కొంచెం చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి కొంచెం అమ్మాయిల వాయిస్ లాగా వచ్చేది, కానీ ఇప్పుడు చాలా బాగుంది, కొంచెం చేంజెస్ వచ్చాయి.
So can we use your video for awareness purpose at our social media pages?
Yes.
So thank you for the permission, and those who are watching this video, if you are able to see positive changes, like this video, share this video, so that people having similar problem can get hope, motivation, and they can reach to the right place. Thanks for watching.